The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest. The food-grade BPA-free silicone. This utensil rest won't slip or slide. Holds up to 4 spoons or spatulas. And the wide square base is designed to catch any drips. It also has a lip around the edges of the base to contain any larger messes or drops. This heat-resistant holder can be placed near the stove, countertop, or placed in any area that prep work or cooking is done. Easy to clean and dishwasher-friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get used today. The Zulay Kitchen Silicone Utensil Rest keeps stovetops and counters spotless. 4 slots for all your utensils, making multitasking a breeze. Heat-resistant and non-slip. The ultimate kitchen companion. Available in both large and extra-large sizes. Choose the perfect size for your needs. Easy to clean and dishwasher safe. Backed by Zulay's lifetime guarantee. Get yours today.